Guys, it's Chance with Martin Kia. Today we'll be going over voice recognition. Voice recognition allows you to access navigation, phone, and radio through verbal commands. On my steering wheel, I'll press the voice recognition button.
Please say a command.
Change radio station to 101.1 The Beat Jam.
Now listening to FM 101.1.
Now,
Please say a command.
take me to McDonald's.
Please say the line number.
Line 1.
You will be guided to the first destination on the list. Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
Excellent. Now guys, to use your phone to be able to verbally command text messages as well as make calls, you'll have to download your contacts from your phone to the vehicle. If you have any questions, let us know. Drop a comment. Make sure to like. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.